Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing here in front of the Open Plan Office application board from the office building section. Here we want to introduce you to the topic of HCL. HCL stands for Human-Centric Lighting. People are at the center of lighting control. Put simply, it's about using tunable white luminaires. That means luminaires with cool white and warm white capabilities to dynamically provide lighting throughout the day. That makes employees feel more comfortable. We offer a detector for this, the PD4MHCL2, which works on a daily basis and is also an isolated solution. It can be put into operation via our BLE-ER adapter. To do this, I simply take my mobile phone and download the app, which is free of charge from the corresponding store. First, a Bluetooth connection is established with the adapter. And then, when I want to put the device into operation, the communication between these two devices takes place via ER. In addition, we also offer matching panel lights that are equipped in such a way that they also work smoothly with the device. We also offer a small remote control that can be used to call up different scenes at the touch of a button.